Sorry about that. Big Reds, I had a student come to the door during my planning period and was looking for Mr. Jones. And someone told him Mr. Jones was in A128, which is not true. But sorry about that, so we're going to continue on. Okay, so if you look right here, we're going to have to do what's called a proportion now. We're going to solve a proportion. Okay, we can take any two numbers. So we'll take 8 and 12. And we have to go the same direction on our proportion. So, all right, 8 over 12, see where I'm getting the 8 and the 12, is equal to, we don't know what this number is, we'll call it x over the first number here, which is 9. Right? That's one way we can solve for a missing number as well. That's not, maybe something that's not as easy as the last one. So in order to solve this, you take 8 times 9, and then you divide it by 12. Well, 8 times 9 equals 72, and then I divide that by 12, and I'm going to get 6. So my first number here is going to be 6. Let's try that again. Let's try that with the other numbers, second numbers. So I'm going to zoom out a little bit. 6 over 9 equals x over 15. I'll call it y over 15 so we don't get confused. Okay? I'm going to cross multiply and then divide. So I'm going to take 6 times 15, which is 90, divided by 9, which is 10. So my new point is going to be 6 comma 10. And is this a reduction or enlargement? Well, now you could see the A is going to A prime, B is going to B prime. It's getting bigger, so it's in enlargement. And scale factor. All right, if we took the new divided by the old, 12 over 8, we can reduce that to 3 over 2. Okay. All right, let's flip this over. I want you to stop the video, pause the video for a second, and try to do number 4, and I'll check it. Okay, you can unpause it now. Let's see what you got. So, I'm looking going from A to A prime. I'm going from 5 to 10. That's one I know in my head. I'm doubling it. So the scale factor is 2. Because I'm making it twice as big. So to get these other points, I take 5.5 times 2, which is 11. 6 times 2, which is 12. So 11, 12 is the new point for C prime. Here, I'm doing the opposite. I have the B prime and I need the B. Well, the B is going to be half as big as B prime is. So you take half of 3, which is 1.5, half of 11, which is 5.5. So your new point for B, coordinates for B, are 1.5 comma 5.5. Okay, so that is basically the difference. It's going back over Unit 2, Learning Target 5. Okay, so again, the learning target is I can use a formula for dilation to dilate a figure, and we're multiplying the same thing. That's why this k is here, multiplying the same thing by each of the coordinates. And then success criteria, you should be able to find the missing coordinates for a dilation. That's what we did. All right? So make sure you do the formative assessment and go Big Reds.